Hey everyone, it's me, CD Cardboard Games, back at you with another video. That's right, you all might be asking, CD, another video? Yes, of course, why not? And you know what we're doing it on, guys? Guess what? Another tutorial. Alright, let's get into it. This one tutorial is going to be on how to download a game on Gamejolt. Welcome everyone. I know you guys enjoyed the itch.io one. So, you all might be asking, CD, how do you download a game on Gamejolt? Well, I got you. Here you go, simple steps. Let's go and look for a game. Don't you say so? Well, you have all these nice little areas. I don't know where to go. Well, let's check the store. Well, what we got at the store, CD? I don't know. What do you guys like to see? Some FNAF games, maybe? Well, let's take a look. Type in your favorite FNAF game, Five Nights at Freddy's, and here you go. There's 37,000 games, folks. Maybe you want to download FNAF World. Well, here it is. Here's FNAF World. So you click on the page, and then you scroll down here, and you click download. And bam, just like that, you'll download FNAF World EXE in the top corner. As you can see, there's my little bar, and it's downloading. Alright, well, there you have it, folks. Another quick tutorial on how to download a game on Gamejolt. I've been CD Cardboard Games, and this has been another great video. And if you liked it, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And maybe check me out on Twitch, since I go live streaming there. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.